Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. The question of the day today is, can I drive off in my Model S with my charge cable still plugged in? So it's definitely still plugged in. Let's go over to the car now and try to drive off. So here we go. Just follow me. Eyes on me. There's the charger there. That's my power wall. That's the charger still in. So this is all one shot, just to prove that it can't be done. Unlock my car. Okay, hopping into the car right now. Okay, so we're in the car. There it is there. There's the key. Unlock to drive. Pushing the foot on the pedal. Warning comes up. Unable to drive, check charge port. Okay. So that confirms things. All one take. I tried to drive off with my charger cable still plugged in. Not possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as always, happy charging.
Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. Happy charging!